Hey, what's up? This is your girl Nikita tonight. Welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of want to come and do just I don't know, I was just planning to my new palette that's going to be in my like super haul. I got the Morphe35O2 palette. I think that's the name of it. 3502 palette. It has, I got this from actually Ulta. I got it with my discount. I've been wanting to pick up this palette for quite a while, but I just didn't feel like going through the whole shipping process of it. So I ended up going to my local Ulta, and I got it from Ulta. It was, I think, between $25 and $30. Yeah, and it had just like a whole bunch of beautiful orange colors, orange, cranberry, burgundy. This is a perfect palette for summer leading into fall. So yeah, I have been loving this ruby color right here. Of course, you know, ruby is my birthstone, so I've been loving this ruby color right here. So yeah, I will let you know everything that I use in the description box below. I did not record the face. Do not kill me for that, because I feel like my videos are already absolutely too long. So I just opt out on recording the face. But again, as usual, I'll put everything that I use in the description box below. The second palette that I used was my Starlit palette that I got from Makeup Forever. Oh my good Jesus. It is awesome. Like, I mean, of course you use this. It's just a glitter palette. Of course you would use this only in addition to another palette. You will not, I won't solely use just straight glitter on my whole eyes. I mean, I will, but you got to have some type of transition colors or whatever. So this would be perfect for that. I did get the Fenty Beauty glitter palette. I think I like this one just a little bit more. Don't kill me. I think I like this one just a little bit more. But yeah, I'll let you guys know everything in the description box below. If you have not subscribed to your girl channel, make sure you do that in somewhere down here. It's like red and white. Don't cost you absolutely nothing but a little bit of time, and you get a lot of entertainment out of this. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this cute, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, look, just stay tuned. Bye.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?